Hi, in this video we will be looking at solution of two sum problem in lead code. The problem definition is as follows. Given an array of integers, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. An example is also given which contains a vector nums with the following elements and a target 9. So in this vector or array of integers, we need to find two such elements such that whose sum is equal to target. So in an example, we have 2 and 7 whose sum is equal to 9, which is also equal to target. So here we need not return the elements, instead we need to return the indices of the elements. The approach is as follows. First, we need to traverse the array one by one, and at each traversal, we need to find the complementary element for the element which we are traversing. For example, while we are traversing 2, the complementary element of 2 is found as follows. The complementary element is target minus the value at that position 2. So 9 minus 2, 7. So we need to check whether this element is present in our vector, and yes, it is present. So finally we got two such elements 2 and 7 whose sum is equal to target. So we need to return the indices of these elements which are 0 and 1. So let's begin with the code. So firstly we need to create a vector which contains the return address of the two numbers. Let's also create an iterator for the vector. So now we need to traverse the array one by one. And at each traversal, we need to find the complementary element of that particular element. Let's name this complementary element as ELE. Our next step is to find whether this ELE is present in a given vector. This can be found out using the find function in SCL library. So here we check whether the iterator is not equal to nums.end, which means that the element is found in the vector. So if the element is found in the vector, then we may push the indices of the elements to a vector, return vector. So let's push the indices of the elements nums of I and ELE to the return vector. I, which is the index of nums of I, and the index of ELE can be found out using the iterator IT. So finally, we found the two such elements whose sum is equal to target. Now we need to return this array or vector. Suppose we did not found any such element, even then we need to return an empty vector. So here we need to return a return vector which is empty. So the code is not yet over. There might be a case as follows. So consider another example where the target is 10 and the array elements are as follows. So as we have seen earlier, we need to traverse the array one by one, and at each traversal we need to find the complementary element. So during first traversal, the element is 3 and the complementary element is 10 minus 3, 7. We need to check whether the 7 is present in a vector. No, it's not present. So we will continue with the traversal. The next element is 4. The complementary element of 4 is 6. We need to check whether 6 is present in a vector. No, it's not present. So we need to continue further. Now, the complementary element of 2 is 8. This is also not present in a vector. We need to move further. So, the element is 5, and after finding the complementary element, we also get complementary elements as 5. So, there might be a case that when we find these 5 in a vector, our index will be the same as that of the original element. So, we need to check this case in our code. For that, we can put a if statement which checks whether the position which we got in IT is not equal to the position I. If both the positions are equal, then we know that it is the same element. So we need to continue. And that's it. Our code is over. Let's run the code. Now let's run the code. Yeah, it's working. So we can submit it. And it is accepted. So if you like the video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.